That came from here. Like, they thought this connected to the Grand Canyon.
From the actual canyon from here? Well, maybe more like an hour. Sure, they're doing canyon exploring.
Yeah, they have been. They've been trying to prove.
Destroy down the elevator you are riding in is a 50-year-old elevator. Put concrete sidewalks in down there, fencing to keep us on the trail. The electrical picture has in store for us. Yeah. Cross. This is a limestone, sandstone water tube.
Wow.
Limestone.
Water.
Dead fish as well. But yeah, dead fish creates limestone. Huh. I do spend a lot of time down there by myself, so I see faces and clouds like you see.
That was pretty obvious.
It's fun, yeah.
Where's Honey the what?
Faces all over this place.
Yeah, as a matter of fact, you're right. You're right.
You can.
The head, the arm, the
Also, you
leg.
can see stuff, but please don't touch it there, because look how it is. It's nice. So down around Rocky again. Yeah. It acts as a sponge and soaks up most of the oil. Your victim had a luxury called flashlight. He had a kerosene lamp. Gypsum they find in drywall, concrete, and in chalk. From him touching.
Abused that?
Yep, it used to look just like this. Touching. This was soft at one time.
I'll be damned.
You can't clean it, right?
Always made because when you guys stay down in the Cavern Suite,
Oh, you kidding me?
Nope.
Wow.
We cannot paint this.
Well,
It's amazing. And you'll see this on freeways, on rocks.
Oh, yeah.
That's probably where they did the test. Yeah.
caverns are abusing
Oh, good. The ocean was receding. Water had to go somewhere, so it went back out through the cracks.
the end of that point yet.
Nope,
No.
not yet. This is what we asked. Put it there.
Where's the dead mouse?
Oh, he's in that. Yeah. Take a look up. You can see the shaft though.
No, no.
And his brother Mouse pulling up a dope on a rope. Poor Gertie, percent of Gertie's bones. They took the bones to U of A and she fell through Walter's natural entrance. This is a live. This is where Bob, my mom fried Bobcat fell when he fell in. I'm researching Gertie because she's captive 5 more feet to grow and trying to find out what the life rate is pregnant.
Yeah, they just grow fast, man. That's
They
crazy.
do. Cavern, there isn't any dry rot. The only thing you see one away are the. As we continue down, please watch your step. That last step. Again, I want to talk to Paul and Ray about this because I have a feeling this might have. And it's oxide of iron, it's just rust. And again, just like Mammoth.
Yeah, look up.
Very impressive. People built this. Oh, are you kidding? Nope. It's all done by Chinese. And my ceilings are really low.
Wow.
How old is your home?